At Eurokids, every celebration is a vibrant burst of joy, creativity, and togetherness. Each festivity has painted beautiful memories, filling our hearts with laughter, learning, and excitement. While every moment was special, some celebrations shined even brighter, leaving a lasting impression. Now it's time to honor the most spectacular of them all. With the voices of our wonderful parents, their valuable votes, and the keen judgment of our esteemed jury, we are here to unveil the grand winner, the celebration that truly stole the show. And the nominees are Grandparents' Day, a heartfelt tribute to love, wisdom, and cherished family bonds. Navratri, a dazzling spectacle of tradition, rhythm, and cultural vibrance. Sports Day, a day of energy, enthusiasm, and the true spirit of teamwork. Halloween, a spooktacular celebration filled with thrills, chills, and creative costumes. Christmas Carnival, a magical festivity wrapped in joy, warmth, and festive cheer. Which celebration takes the crown? The big moment awaits. Stay tuned as we reveal the most extraordinary event of the year. Number 5, Navratri.
The celebration was wonderfully organized with wonderful songs and mesmerizing performance.
We have took 1 week, and in that 1 week we have prepared all our children. We called to the parents, informed regarding that what and all things we are going to do.
To my surprise this time, we had a lot of consents. So we felt the school was not the right place to do a dandiya or garba for a huge crowd. So we just took permission from the corporation to to host the event in the park.
And the main highlight was there was a skit by parents which was so engaging and deeply connectable.
Number 4, Halloween.
One teacher of name is Monica. While we are doing the preparation, she made us to scare by making a sound. So it was like we all were stunned.
That scares me.
When I shouted for the first time and the parents got scared, that really made me happy. And at that time, I gave a different variation of voices. I started to scream, I started to shout.
So there was this pumpkin competition where the parent and the child had to create a scary pumpkin. So I loved how they give importance to the parent and child bonding.
It gave us a thrilling experience to the entire family. I had participated with my family and we all tested how dare we are.
The setup was very difficult for us to do, to bring the true Halloween magic. It was very difficult for us. Actually, on that day, we expected only the children to get scared. But the surprise was the parent got more scared about that day. And that was the reward was double for us.
And it was really scary. Even my children enjoyed a lot. We were scary, but she was enjoying the thing inside. It was really amazing. Thank you, Eurokids, Sowcarpet brands. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, we loved it, but it's very, very scary. Yeah? We were feeling like we went to some thunderstorms type, but it's very good. Yeah, it's very good. We are all loving this. It's very good. Kids are enjoying it. Very good, very good.
This Halloween celebration is a testament to the unwavering dedication of the teachers and their boundless creativity. I'm really proud to be part of Eurokids Sowcarpet celebrations, and I'm a very proud parent.
Number 3, Grandparents' Day.
As a grandparent, I am enjoying a lot. In fact, I would say you conduct this twice in a year, not a single time. You should conduct twice in a year so that we as a grandparent will enjoy this.
I would say a day that was filled with a lot of emotions.
Our beautiful. you are my bird.
And I would say this celebration is very close to my heart.
And then we had a few little fun games, and then we had a debate, which was a highlight for our event.
grandmother grandfather சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு ப்ரோக்ராம் வச்சுருக்காங்க. ஆனால் நாங்கள் அதை எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணவே இல்லை. எந்த ஸ்கூல்லேயும் இது வரைக்கும் நாங்கள் அது மாதிரி கேள்விப்படவே இல்லை.
So this time we have started our planning, and we had a lot of few ideas to add on. So we started send all our consent to our parents and like asking them their childhood photos, which turned them into a photo booth to surprise them to take a photos.
We got to know many things. We got interacted with many people, and it was a good day we spent together. We really had fun.
அந்த ஒன் டே வந்து எங்களுக்கு எங்ககிட்ட இல்லை. நாங்கள் வீட்டில் எவ்வளோ ஜாலியாக இருந்தால் கூட, கஷ்டமாக இருந்தால் கூட, இந்த குழந்தைக்காக இங்கே வந்து செய்யும்போது எங்களை மறந்துடுறோம். நாங்கள் பள்ளிகளின் ஹீரோவே நம்ம ஹீரோ கிட்ஸ் தான்.
Number 2, Sports Day.
I would say every child is winner at Eurokids. So health is wealth day. If you go to any other schools, the children will be selected for participation, but here every child is a participant at Eurokids.
When it came for the sports day, it was our Olympic theme. We were thinking about what props we can go, whatever we want to be done, given the best to the children. So finally we came with the Olympic colors. So coming to the props, it was umbrella, clothes, and thinking whenever we want to give the best for the children. And finally it came for the sticks.
Gymnastics and all, I remember I did around when I was in 8th standard or 7th standard, all these drill activities. But these little ones performing at this age, I know like how the teachers would have spent most of the time in teaching them.
Really a mass event and a lot of hard work from the teachers. And my cute little children performed superb on the ground, and I would say sports day was one of the biggest hit of the year.
Gymnastic is basically difficult doing with the preschool children, but because we have to prepare the children mentally and physically, because of the motivation and encouragement, children give the best show on the sports day.
And the winner is number 1, Christmas Carnival.
For the first time in Sowcarpet, we proudly introduced laser maze for the parents and the children in a preschool.
Christmas tree making activity. She was like, "Mama, give me star. I will make. You don't make. I'll make." By seeing her confidence that she can make, that was also like really surprise for me.
The creative ideas like the splash room, the magic show, and the laser light room were like top notch of that celebration. The magic show was done by one of the teachers, Sneha ma'am, and we were surprised to see her that she was doing like a perfect magic person, how they did the tricks and all.
Sonika Chu, Manchikapu, Babi di Bibi di Boo. Babi di Bibi di Boo, there is a magic within you. Me. First, I had to prepare myself. I am not a teacher that day. I was a magician. It took me a little while, around 24 hours to 48 hours, to make myself be ready to be as a magician.
The splash room was very nice. The kids were given the suit so that they doesn't get spoiled, and they were given guns. So they were enjoying and pouring all over the walls on each other, and they were also getting like fully on their face all the paint and all.
It was a very good experience for us. First time we are coming for the Christmas celebrations. Each room was very nicely thought of. It was very nicely conducted. Very innovative. It was good. We enjoyed. All of us enjoyed a lot.
இங்கே யூரோகிட்ஸ் சவுகார்பெட்டில் நடந்த எல்லா ஈவெண்ட்ஸுமே சூப்பராக இருந்துச்சு. ஆனால் கிறிஸ்மஸ் கார்னிவல் வந்து டாப் நாட்சில் இருந்துச்சு. எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருந்தது கிறிஸ்மஸ் கார்னிவல் தான்.
There is some unique concept. I have not seen laser light organized anywhere like this. So that is great. Magic show, the games, the splash game, everything is really good.